Welcome to the channel, the Turning Point Rock English channel. If you are new, please subscribe this channel. Today we will learn use of has, have, had. Has, have, had are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Has, have used in present condition and had is used for past happening. Now we'll make some sentences for practice. Let's start making sentence. If you watch this video, you will have clear understanding of usage has, have, had. So let's start use of has. He has a sharp knife. She has a beautiful cat. The old man has no stick. The fruit seller has no apples. This parrot has a red beak. He has worked here for 5 years. It has rained heavily today morning. Tom has no interest in playing game. Sana has no jewelry. The horse has 4 hoofs. Use of have, present tense. They have secret talk. They have many books. They have not helped him. I have applied for American visa. Have you a precious watch? I have nothing in my bag. Do you have a gift for me? I have tried a lot for a job. How many cars have this rich man? They have discussed main points. Now use of had in past tense. We had a nice meeting. I had understood lecture. She had won a gold medal. Rida had completed her graduation. She had no job in 2020. This city had a clock tower in middle. Had the king crown on his head. My brother had worked there. How long a piece of cloth had ago? If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.